What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $65 in 30 minutes typing captchas. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm discussing today in this video. Now guys, this method is free to start. You don't need any money at all, just a little bit of your time. So guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I'm going to show a couple of sites where you can make this money typing captchas. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm on the internet and I'm at the first site. Again, I'm going to show you a couple of sites. So the name of this site is 2capture.com. Now, if you don't know what captchas are, they are the messages that you try to figure out and solve when you log into a website. So like when you sign up and log into a website, right at the bottom after you put in your username and password, they have another little box where you got to figure out what this word is or letters are. And once you get them right, then you'll be able to get into the website. So what this company does, they get all this from companies, all the captchas from companies, and they put them on their website for you, the worker, to try to solve. And when you solve so many of them, you get paid. So it says here, starting from 50 cents for 1,000 solved captchas. So for 1,000 solved captchas, you're going to get 50 cents. Now, I know that's a lot, but it's going to take seconds to solve these captchas, because as you can see here, it's going to look like this. And you just type in the letters, because you can see that's a C, that's an A, that's a P, that's a T, that's a C, that's a H, and that's a. So once you get here, and before you sign up, you can click right here where it says work for us. And it's going to tell you a little bit more about the captcha typing job. So captcha solving is a very simple and guaranteed way to have additional income in internet. I don't know why they say in the internet. I should have said on the internet. Whatever. But to work on the service, you only need a computer, keyboard, and internet connection. The idea is that there are numerous types of images that cannot be recognized automatically. And there are people, customers, who are ready to pay for recognition of these images. We have created a service suitable for both customers and workers. We collect images from the customer and send them to you, the worker, in a simple interface where you can where you need to enter the text correctly according to the shown images. You will earn funds for every correctly entered capture. To start work on our service, you only have to register an account, hit start work, and then the system will guide you through the training tasks to show you what to do. After just 5-10 minutes, you will begin to earn money by solving captchas. So it's that easy, guys. Only 5 to 10 minutes, you can start making this money. Now, so 20 to 80 cents per hour, you're going to be making way more than that. And then down here, it just talks about the earnings. And I'm not going to read all this. It's basically going over what we just talked about. But let's scroll down a little bit further. So, easy earning on internet without investment. So that is correct. You don't need no investment to start. You just go in there, do the training right quick, start solving captchas, and start making money. The minimum payout is 50 cents. No payout fees. You don't have to worry about that. You get in your wallet the exact earned amount. And you click here to start. So that's all I'm going to say about this website. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making money solving captchas, go to key2capture.com. Now let me go to the second site. Okay, now I'm on the second site, and the name of this site is capture2cash.org. So capture to cash, get paid by decoding captchas. So it's basically the same like the other site. So I'm just giving you another site that you can come to and you can make even more money. When you don't have anything on that site, because sometimes they might run out of captchas for you to do, you can always come to this site and make some money solving captchas here. Or you can do both of them. So it says here how to earn with captchas. Step 1, register at megatypist.com using code 7GS7. Step 2, solve captchas, earn money. Number 3, get paid. So that's all you have to do. You're going to be going to this site right here to register. So you go to Megatypist right here and fill out all your information. I just want to show you that. See, it's real simple, real fast to fill it out. And the payout is to pay. You have to have PayPal or Western Union, Perfect Money, Web Money, Bitcoin, or Litecoin. And that invitation code, you put that there that we saw on the website, and click register, and that's it. As a matter of fact, you gotta click right here for a capture. But that's all you have to do with this website here. So basically this website is the same as the other one. You're just going to be making some money, some more extra money. And of course, there's no fees to start. And it's a very easy work at home job, guys. So you're going to have some fun doing this because it's real easy. Nothing that's going to where you have to solve mathematical problems or anything like that. It's just really images you're going to be looking at. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you this one too. So you want to go ahead and start on this one. Just go to capture2cash.org. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. That's all I want, just 50 likes. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about either one of these sites that I've shown to you today. And please don't forget to type that code word that popped up in this video. And also, share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, thanks again for your support. Let's help me get to 5,000 subscribers. So please keep sharing. If you're new, please subscribe. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers so I can give away this free money. Okay, guys, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.